So let's check the wind noise at 70 miles an hour and see what the speaker's like. Could be too much for the speaker system, it could be too much for the audio. There's meant to be some kind of iPhone fancy noise reduction capabilities built in with that kind of recording. So we'll see how good it is. My microphone is very close to my mouth, so that also could be way too loud, but because I tend to talk quite loud. It's all just a big experiment. So here we are, lay-by, indicating left. Lovely down here. Just got to concentrate on the bloody holes. The puddles too. The puddles are the giveaway. Like that one. Oh, left it there. Oh, these are big. Oh, I tried to lift it there. Not quite right. Oh, she's bouncing tonight. Dance, baby, dance. Dance, baby. Oh my God, I'm going to find out how much I talk to myself tonight. Oh, slippery. Oh, deep. Let's get us sideways on the gas again. Oh, I might skip around some of this shit because I saw some 4x4s on a forum stuck in here. Oh my God. That was deeper than I expected. Shit. Oh, maybe a bit more caution required. Oh, fuck. Unless I want to end up in a bloody puddle. Whoa, let's see. Let's go left. Oh, crossing ruts. Speed is not so clever. Oh, hey. Wet. Could feel it pushing my feet there. Back. Oh, getting too big. Oh. Let's get left. Those look massive. Oi. Right. Left. Right. Oh. Going right again. On the gas. Through the middle, I think, for a bit. No, let's go left. Last minute, change of mind. Oh, this could be deep. Oh, constant line changes. Try to pick the optimal one. Now, there's a couple of these gnarly roots around here. They dent your rim type stuff. Trick is remembering where the fuck they are whilst riding. I am running fairly high tire pressure, so more so than I should. Sort of 31 on the front and 33 on the back. High tire pressures are because I don't have rhythm locks in my rear tire. The way I'm riding recently on this bike, just rip valve stems. Wow, that's deep. End up with a catastrophic flat. This is where the roots are. Just take it easy. You can't see them. The puddles. It's okay when it's dry. You can sort of anticipate the roots. when it's like this, you're fucked. I tell you what, it is so wet out today. Like puddles like you won't believe, like this all over the shop. Yeah, so big jet wash tomorrow. We need to take the wheels off and just get the bearings so that they check the bearings basically, so that they don't have any water lying inside them, because it's super wet. You'll see that in a second. So mirrors out the way. Off-road mode engaged. Let's see how the visor is. The visor is good enough to use. Yeah. Let's go. Bit slippery, but anyway. That's why we came out. It's fun. I hope the audio works. Just got to concentrate a little bit here. This just gets very sandy. I just don't know what the farmer's been doing. Weight back. Ready for anything. Ready to get on the gas. Yeah, we can get on the gas. Let's move about. Wow, that sounds deep there. But we're on the gas. Right, bit of a puddle coming up. Let's just switch lanes. Oh, not sure. Gas it out. If in doubt, gas it out, they say. Or lift. Oh, a bit of rubble here now. Get on the gas again. Up a gear. Oh, nice and fast. Looks a bit rougher than it used to be down here. Back on the gas. Weight back. Big puddle coming. Little dip. Back on the gas. Get the bike line over. What's going on here with the holes? Yeah, no, back on the gas. Okay, got to watch these dips here. Well, let's go down the gear. The revs where I want them. Skirt on the right hand side a bit. Just keeping those revs nice and high so I can lift the front if I have to. Whoop. Yeah, like that. Just make the bike jump. Let's go on the right. Skip the worst of the whoops. Can't see how deep that is here. Yamaha 10A off-road. Fuck yeah. This thing rocks. Oh my god, this thing is so good. You have to ride a little bit different. Obviously than an enduro bike. But yeah. Oh, I have a lot of fun on this bike. These sort of lanes are, in my opinion, too easy for enduro, but you know, you still have fun on the enduro, don't get me wrong. You can go twice the speed if you're a good rider, because it can handle the bumps and jumps and stuff a bit better than these, but to be honest, with the K-Tech upgrades on the 10A, as you just saw, I'm going. This has got the Dim Sport ECU tune in it. So, man, it drips. Listen to that. Fuck hell. Up we go. That Dim Sport ECU just livens this engine up. Oh, a little bit of sand there. Let's get this puppy going. Nice bit of sand. Whoop, bit of tarmac. Weight back. Just power through the sand. I do have a Mitas E13 Rally Star Cross or something like that. It's a harder carcass tire than the Mitas E09 for rally stuff, just to help with rocks and stuff in the deserts and things like that, which I think is not a bad idea. If you're good at changing your own tires, wow, there we go, a bit of rally sideways. If you're good at changing your tires, they don't go on with too much hassle. Oh, that one could be deep. Look at that hair. Go the hair. A little bit wet and mushed up here. Ugh. Ugh. Had some coming in my boots here. This could be deep. Yeah. Back on the gas though. There's nothing coming. Get into that berm. Get the cycling over. Oh, bit of sand here. Oh, I'm going to come on the brakes. Just don't know how deep this is. Could wheelie it, but it's just the sand and stuff. You're riding solo. Wow, that was nice. Skip the front tire over there. Mid steer. Skip. Wow, steep. Back on the gas hard. Oh, looking ahead as much as possible. Oh, yeah. Get the high beams on. High beams are on. Just a little bit of extra visibility down here. Oh, I don't know. Let's get the fuck out the way. Deep. Oh, that was lovely. Absolutely lovely.